the garden alone, while the dew is still on the roses, and the voice I hear softly on my ear, the Son of God discloses. And he walks with me, and he talks with me, and he tells me that I am his own. And the joy we share as we linger there, none other has ever known. He speaks, and the sound of his voice is so sweet, the birds hush their singing, and the melody he gives to me within my heart is ringing. And he walks with me, and he talks with me, and he tells me that I am his own. And the joy we share as we linger there, none other has ever I'd stay in the garden with him, though the night all around me is falling. But he calls me on through the quiet and calm. Still his voice to me is calling. And he walks with me, and he talks with me, and he tells me that I am his own. And the joy we share as we linger there, none other has ever